Now we are going to learn about list. Basically, Python list are the container which stores a set of values of any data type. That is, a list can contain string, integer or float value. For example, I'll create here one list. X is equal to in square bracket 23, 100, 45. Then one string Ria, 11.23, again one string Viraj, 200. This is my list. I'll print this list by the print statement, print X. I'll run this. I'll get this list at the output as it is. See here. As we studied in string, that index of string is started with 0. Same thing is there in list. It is also starting with index 0. Suppose I'll print here, print x of square bracket 0. My output should be 23 because 23 is the first element of 0th index. I'll run this. See the output 23. If I write here 3, then what should be output? See, 23 is at 0th place, 0, then 1, 2 and 3. My output should be Ria. I'll run this. This is the output. Our list having values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It consists 7 values, means from index 0 to 6. But if I write here 7, what will happen? I'll run this. It is showing least index out of range because index values are from 0 to 6 and 7 will be out of range. You can also modify your list by writing, suppose x of 1 is equal to 29, means at 0th, at first index, not 0th, at first index I want 29 instead of this 100. I'll print this. I'll run. See, modified list. Here instead of 100 there is 29. In this way you can modify your list. Means what we have seen until now, that we can create a list using square bracket. I'll write here as a comment, we can create a list using this square bracket. Then second thing, we can print the list using print function. Here I'll write print the list using print function. And third, we can access any value in the list using index number x of 0, x of 1, like this. I'll write here. We can access any value in list by index number, that is x of 0, then x of 1, like this. In previous chapter we have seen that we can do string slicing. In same way we can slice list also. I'll show you. The next topic is list slicing. I'll use same list. I'll rough all these things. Suppose I'll print here, print in bracket x of square bracket 0 colon 2, means it will print only 23 and 100. I'll run this. See, it will print 23 and 100. Remember, in string slicing topic, I have told you that 0 will represent n and 2 will represent n minus 1. Means what? 0 will be as it is, means value in 0th index will print as it is, but value in 2 index will be 2 minus 1. That is, number 0 and 1 will be print. So, at 0th index it is 23 and at 1 index it is 100. That's why it shows the output 23 and 100. If you print here, suppose minus 2 and this place will be blank, and if you run it, then you will get here Viraj and 200. How? See, in this list from right side it is counting from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this. And if I write here minus 2 means up to minus 2 it will print, means it is minus 1, 200 is there, and at minus 2 Viraj is here. So Viraj and 200 both will be print at output. I hope you are getting these concepts. Now we will see some list methods. I'll rub this. I'll write here list methods. First I'll create a list again. A is equal to in square bracket 45, 100, 12, 11, 450, 1000. This is my list. I'll show you list method one by one. First, if I write here A dot reverse and I'll print A. If I run it, then I'll get this output in the reverse manner. See, first it print 1000, then 450, then 11, 12, 100 and 45, completely reverse manner. Next is, if I write here A dot sort, if I run it, then I'll get sorted list, means list is arranged in ascending order. Then next is A dot append. I'll show you. A dot append, and here I'll write here suppose 67. I'll run it. See what happened? This 67 is added at the end of this list. So that is the meaning of append. And then next is A dot pop. A dot pop. I'll write here 2 means it will delete element from index 2. Index 2 is what? 0, 1, 2. that is 12 should be deleted. I'll run this. See here, after 100 there is 11, that is 12 is deleted. And then next is a dot remove. Remove comma 12. If I run this, that value 12 will be deleted. See here, after 100 there is 11. 12 value is deleted. In pop concept, index number is mentioned to remove element, and here in remove concept directly value is mentioned. There are so many methods. You can try rest of the methods from Python documentaries or search on Google for the list methods and try it one by one.